episode ya 60 hakuno
Welcome.
Murakaza neza mwese.
Actually today,
uyu munsi
Stephen Sherrington called you here.
Stephen Sherrington niwe wabahamagaye hano.
Your actual speaker.
Ariko ninjukiye kuvuga. Sibyo?
Firstly, let me say, I'd like to apologize on my own behalf.
Mbere na mbere reka banze babwire ko ndi kwasaba imbabazi.
All here for a
Zibasaba ku giti cyanjye no kubw'umuryango wanjye.
However, circumstances demanded it.
Ntabwo byari ngombwa ariko ibibazo nagezemo byabimpatirije. Jena Stephen tugiye gutandukana. Jena Stephen Sherrington tugiye kwaka divorce gatanya. Yarazi ko baje kumusaba imbabazi kumugora aje kumena umucyo. Yagerageje kuzana ibikangisho kumoza kunyeca ndetse ko bavuga kugira ngo ndeke kumwaka divorce tureke gwana divorce. Ambwira ngo araza kumena umucyo avuga ibanga ryaje. Ibanga ngo nahisha abantu bose imyaka myinshi.
Hello guys, I hope you are okay. So guys, rero sorry ho gakeya reka tubanze twamamaje mbanze mbabwira aka kantu ariko video yanyu nyine iraje komeze. Vuga ngo guys, hari ukuntu nyine rero tuno dufilme ntutwishimire ariko bikangombwa ko ukeneye full nyine episode cyase full season. Icyo gusaba no gufata iyo nomero iri muri screen igihugu cyose abuhereyemo cyose tuguha filme ku buryo bwiza sikakugera utwandikira WhatsApp.
Wihangayika, habonetse muganga gakondo utanga ubuvuzi bw'umwimerere kandi bushingiye ku bimera. Waba warabaswe n'ibibazo byo kwikinisha bigatuma amabanga y'abashakanye atabasha kugenda neza, tambuka tugukiza umuze nawe ubashe kunoza amabanga y'abashakanye.
Ubu mubona nahoranye ikibazo cyo kutabyara, ajya ntekereza ko narozwe, nyuma naje guhura n'umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko yo muri Tanzania, aramfasha ndakira, ubu nanjye ndi umubyeyi nk'abandi.
Kubivuza indwara nk'umwijima, impyiko, rubagemande, amibe, igifu, kubyimba, prostate, umutwe, imitsi ndetse n'izindi, namwe nimutambuke kuko mwashyizwe igorora. Akarusho kandi kubivuza indwara nk'amarozi abatugezeho baritangirwa.
Ubu mubona nigeze guhura n'ikibazo cyo kuroba, narozwe ibitegano ndetse n'ibihuherano. Naje kubona umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko muri Tanzania, aramfasha, ubu narakize neza, ubu nta kibazo mfite.
Kuba ari mahanga namwe mwihangayika mwibaza uko imiti yacu iraza kubageraho kuko dukora na DHL kabagezaho imiti yacu kandi mu gihe
icyo gikangisho yari afite.
So today,
uyu munsi rero
I have decided not to be cornered anymore.
Nafashe umwanzuro ko atazongera kunkubitira mu gafuka ngakira ahantu mu nguni.
We have finally found my son, Yaman Ali.
Murabizi mu minsi yashize nyuma nanyuma twabonye umwana wanjye Yaman Ali Soiselan.
Yaman Ali Sherrington.
Yaman Ali Sherrington
is not actually Stephen Sherrington.
Nagaru umwana wa Stephen Sherrington ibyo munabimenye imbere y'itangazamakuru niyo ntwari yari afite ngagiye kuntsindisha. Ndabibibwiriye rero. Muze wazumbaza iki se?
He just found out.
Nibwo akibimenya.
I didn't want to lie, that wasn't my intention.
Ntabwo nari ngamije kubabeshya sicyo nari ngamije pe.
But at that time,
ariko
at
kirege
age as well,
kuri iriya myaka nari mfite,
you can feel so very helpless.
Umuntu ufite iriya myaka kenshi uba wumva nta bundi bufasha nta n'uburyo usigaranye.
There are solutions. I'm here today now for my girls. I hope that you were
bivuga mu izina ry'abakobwa banje nizere ko mwese muri bumbabarire.
However,
ikindi,
we shouldn't bow down to those who threaten and
ntabwo tuba tukwiriye kubika amaso yacu ngo dutinye gurebana mu maso n'abashaka kuduhemukira.
Not at all.
Reka reka.
I'm not going to allow this.
Cyebyo ntabwo ndi bubyemere. Alex nawe avanye abyumva. Alex na se barahuza mu bifuti byinshi.
I paid the price of my conscience.
Cyenishi igiciro cy'amakosa nakoze.
It wasn't right, but I paid its price.
Ndabizi ko bitari sawa ariko nyine narabyishyuye.
Not accept blackmail of any.
Ntabwo ndi buze kwakira gukoreshwa ibikangisho ngo ntuzakora ibi ndakora ibi.
Son was not a mistake at all. In fact, it was one of the four
ikindi kuba narabyaye umwana wanjye
right decisions.
Ntabwo byagwiririye n'umwe mu myanzuro nafashe yaryoheye kurusha indi yose muri ubu buzima. Ibyo munabimenye. Pe
I will not crush any of my children under my mistakes.
Ntabwo nzigera ndenganyiriza umwe mu bana banje uwo ari we wese amakosa nakoze. Oya, umwana si uba yarahisemo kuvuka.
No more secrets anymore.
Ntabwo bikiri ibanga rero.
I can tell you who the father of
naje ngo babwire se w'umwana wanje.
My son's father is Dr. George Aiden.
Se w'umwana wanje bamwita Dr. George Aiden. Muze biramucanga. Stephen is
I now start the official divorce process.
Uyu munsi rero nanababwira ko giye gutangira procedure na process zose bisaba kugira ngo njye na Steven Shelton dutandukane.
I believe
mu mategeko.
Understanding here.
Ndakeka mwese muri kunsobanukira.
Thanks for taking your time. Thank you.
Mwakoze kubw'igihe cyanyu mwampaye, murabeho, ciao ciao, bye bye, see you. Tuzabonane muzikurikira. Izina ryanjye cy'umuryango ugiye gukora divorce n'umugore wanjye, izina ryanjye ntabwo rikomezanye. Uranyumva? Steven yari yiriye yigize uwadanje, baramucecekesheje. Zamwakiyeho.
Smell this. Is this good?
Ntigarukira hakuno.
Wow.
Smooth. Papa wa yamani hakuno.
Thank you.
Iryo rumva bimeze bite birahumura sha. Nimba batetse agasosi batogosheje iki? Mu telefone karasona. Oruga. Babibwiranye.
What?
Kuki?
What now?
Ninde abivuze se?
I don't know what you're... No.
Ibintu uri kumbwira njye ntabyo nzi. Babibwiranye. Babimenye.
Calm down and let me watch it. I'll call you back.
Tuza ariko mbanze ndebe ibyo bintu uvuga ngo babwiranye, ndaje nkubwire ngo ni ibiki.
I'll call you back.
Ndahita nguhamagara njye ntabwo mbizi.
Ndana.
Sibyo? Ntabyo nzi.
What is it? What happened?
Ni ibiki se ngo babwiranye? Babimenye nimba ari nde wabivuze? Icyo ataramenye ni Natali wabivuze.
My son's father is Dr. George Aiden.
Se umwana wanjye bamwita Dr. George Aiden. Natali niwe wabivuze. Natali yabibabwiye.
Up too, didn't you?
No. Natali niwe wabivuze, kwase ndaje ngiye kubaza Natali impamvu yabibabwiye. Ndaje ngiye kumubaza. Ciao. Oruga mufatanye igihanga.
My dear,
yamubeshye ko nta mwana ikira mu gasozi no
out
wakora.
of you know. The more you talk, the cooler I got inside.
Akuno barakwereka Serena yaje kumutera ingabo mu bitugu, ariko twe turabizi ko Serena nta nakeza kari byo byibyo.
Did you get it down?
Tomorrow the procedures will be completed. Should we inform Mr. Jones?
Wabikoze ibyo nakubwiye, ejo procedure zose zizaba zarangiye.
Watch myself tomorrow. Don't worry.
We ntukiri ikibazo.
Of course, accept these things. I'll tell him.
Cyane ndabizi araza kubyemera, njye ndaza kubimwibwirira. George Aiden ndaza kubimwibwirira. Niba muze ashaka kubwira iki George kandi ze.
Is everything okay?
Ibintu byose bimeze sawa.
It's late, but you still haven't slept.
Ko mbona amasaha yakuswe butararyama.
Farida, I'll sleep later now.
Oya ndaza kuba nsinzira nyuma. Florida we wigira ikibazo, we wingira ikibazo. Okay. Sana ari bimuze.
I still can't believe it, Selena. I still can't believe it.
Jena nubu sinabyizera Selena, sinabyizera.
I have lived with him all these years.
Sinakwizera kuri uyu mugabo twabanye imyaka yose.
This man threatened me without even thinking about his
Uriya mugabo yanteraga ubwoba atanitaye ku bana be.
Please feel better now.
Umva basi, umva kumeze neza, ibindi byose byirengagiza.
My son encouraged me and my father you.
Umwana wanje yaje antera ingabo mu bitugu we na papa wanje.
Uncle Everett, sir.
Uncle Everett.
I do appreciate you so much, sir. This is a big milestone for the Sherringtons.
Nukuri ibi bintu wakoze ni itafari rikomeye wateye mu muryango wa Shelton. Chirano.
Hello.
Diego.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay, fine. I'm coming.
Sawa ndaje. Muze.
George.
George.
I'm leaving, Father.
Ari kumbwira ngo nabivuze ngo babimenye, ndaje mbaye ndagiye.
Oscar
we. Oscar wa mukiga yego. Kuze ngo kurikira nyoko buje. Oscar arakurikira hakuno. Evet. Guhura na George Aiden. Hakuno hariho bari guhereza agasosi.
In your mouth first.
Banza agasosi.
Take me now. It's delicious. I worked so hard for this. Come on.
Aka gasosi kararyoshye mwana y'amafaranga bayamvuye.
Enjoy it a little, will you?
Siyorere ndaza kwigaburira, ase waretse nkanabyenjoyinga kukugaburira wowe. Caesar. Wimvuna. Alice. bari muri depression bamwivyiye amavuta none dore.
Will you tell me what happened?
Ese wambwira ibyabaye?
Nothing happened.
Nta cyabaye. Hanyuma si kinigi si icyuma kiri hamaraso. Niwe wateye icyuma Alex. Sibyo?
Why did you stab Alex?
Kuki wamuteye icyuma Alex? Kubera iki?
Please stop it. If you know, what should I tell you?
Ese we wareke ubundi nimba ikubwira birakumarira iki hama ninjira hakuno?
Is it worth it to be sick for Alex of all people?
Ni ngombwa ngo urware kubera kiriya kigoryi ni Alex umariye iminsi yose urya.
Or something. Don't do it. You've done enough now.
Umva.
That guy won't be able to say anything because he's scared.
Uriya mukinga n'ubundi nta kintu azigera avuga kuko n'umunyabwoba.
Hey, look at me.
Umva mwana.
Stop crying. He
rekera ukurira.
I tried to kill Yemen and Rhea.
Kiriya kigoryi cyagerageje kwica Yemen na Rhea.
Keep you as a witness? Even the devil wouldn't think of it.
Okay, stop it.
Amana arabyumva. Arabimenya ko byose Alex ari wari wabiteye kurwara kwa Alice kiriya kigoryi ndakica.
What did he say?
Let it go, Caesar.
Yajano yakubwiye ibikise byaranje byibura ariko birangira. Yavuye hano. Alice. Alice.
What happened?
Byagenze bite?
New Year's Eve. Did you?
That's okay, brother. She already punished.
Okay.
Come with me first. Let's speak calmly first. Me first, man.
I go with you. What will we say there? It's done now. And I didn't know anything, so what is there to...
Ibiki muri kuvuga ngo byarangiye. Ni ibiki byagenze gute? Byagenze gute?
Hey, Nat. Hey. How can you do such a big thing without
asking me? Ese Natali we gute wagiye kubivuga tutabivuganye ukaba waneje uruga.
Threatened. I didn't think I should ask.
Nago nabitekerejeho nagiye ndavuga.
I must say, you put me in a difficult situation.
We naguze ibibazo wankize.
Why? What happened?
Ibikize byagenze bite?
They showed it to Olga at work already.
Olga yabimenye.
Of course.
Babibwiranye.
Who is Olga?
Olga se ninde?
My wife.
N'umugore wanje. Babibwiranye babimenye. Gaho.
You mean she didn't know?
Ntabyo yarazi. Abibwiriwe nande se kari we wabivuze?
You've been staying here all this time. Why are you staying here at all?
Ubundi iminsi yose umaze hano urayihamara mu bice ufite umugore wasanze umugore wawe.
Because I'll answer accordingly.
I couldn't think about it, George. I mean, I swear.
Ntabwo natekerezaga neza George ni ukuri kandi unyumva.
Me? You could have asked me.
Basi wari kubanza kumbaza mbere yuko ubivuga ariko.
What?
Iki se?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sawa, mbabarira gusabye imbabazi ibyo byarangiye.
Gosh. Does everything happen beyond my control?
Ibintu byose biri kuba bisigaye birenze kontrole yanjye nta kintu nabikoraho.
Alex and his dad. My wife learns that I have a son from
Alex na umugore wanjye nawe abyivanze.
Hey, don't go on. I apologize.
We wikomeza kumatiriza nawe ndagusabye imbabazi sana akubabaye.
It's over.
Ariko suragira umbyibagirwe nkaho bitabaye.
If she didn't know, how and where were you going to take Ali to then?
Ubundi se nimba umugore wawe atarabizi wari kuzamujyana ayamanuka mukubita mu maso ye gute?
Are you asking me this question?
Ese ni wari kubaza iki kibazo?
Natalie, are you asking me this question?
Natalie, ni wari kubaza iki kibazo?
I had a son after 20 years.
Ntabwo nari nzi ko mfite umwana nyuma y'imyaka 20 yose.
Through doors and stuff. And now you're asking me this.
None uri kumbaza ibi bibazo. Si wewe wamumbishe na mbere.
Okay, excuse me.
Sawa nabyo bimbabarira. No.
What will happen now?
None biragenda bite?
We'll work it out.
Turaza kubikemura wangu.
Thank God Olga is understanding.
Niba basha kubyumva ndabizi.
You're lucky.
Umunyamahirwe. Iki se nyine. Orugaraza kubyumva.
Okay, calm down.
Sawa tuza ariko mwana tuza.
I asked.
Nakubaje.
There was anything wrong with this girl, right?
Nakubaje nimba uyu mukobwa ari ikibazo afite.
Why is this guy behind everything, huh?
Kubera iki Alex ubundi abari inyuma ya buri bintu byose byabaye.
Right now.
Kiriya kigo rigiye kucika.
Stop.
Rekera wari ko rekera.
Already punished him. Just wait.
Caesar. It is up to Alice to punish him. That's your shit.
Nimba Alice ari we wagezeho kwihanira Alex bigutera isoni nawe. Sho.
Go.
Caesar genda ariko umwagarika atanya kwica umuntu w'akajere bakamufunga agenda. Yarakurikira. avuye hano ari guhamagara Alex.
What now?
Iki urambaza iki?
Fuck are you?
Shikwa cyuri.
Tell me where you are. I'll get your worthless life right now.
Zani wari ubwo buzima bwawe utagaciro nk'iki.
I'll ask him to take you and get the fuck away from here.
Wa mujinga we. Chupira mu nzira. Ciye kwaswa n'imbunyene yabariho unsanga.
Let God punish him, okay?
Reka Imana imuhanire. Imana izamuhana w'ibyivangamo birekera Imana. Oshigenda cinguka.
But I know anything about it.
Kuki nta kintu mwambwiye? Kuki nta kintu mwambwiye sizo?
Stop, man, stop!
Mwana umusa warekewe ariko warekeyeho. Warekewe utica umuntu bikadukoraho. Yegeze hano sanga udakiye. Jamani we bigenze bite Amana caho. Amana caho.
To kill Alex.
Agiye kwica Alex. Urumva agiye.
I can't stop.
Wagarika cyangwa ukiri kintu ukora nje birananiye.
That move takes a lot of courage, so congratulations to you.
Biriya bintu wakoze ariko nabyo bisaba umutima ukomeye hagati aho felicitation.
If Ali hadn't encouraged me, I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Iyo Ali atazanga ntera ingabo mu bitugu ubwo niyamani ntago nari kubasha kubikora. Basohokana mu gahoteli.
I'm sorry.
Umbabarire mwana kandi unyihangane.
Didn't think.
Sinatekerezaga.
I didn't put you in a situation that will cause trouble for you.
Ntago nigeze nifuza kugushyira mu bibazo byaza kukubera bigari cyangwa se byaza kukubera ibibazo byinshi. Ntago nigeze nshaka kukujandika muri ibi bibazo.
Since you're open-minded, free-spirited too.
Ndabizi uri umuntu utekereza kure nizere ko wambabariye.
You made a great move by means of freedom. Well done, you're better.
Wakoze ikintu cyiza nubwo wewe wabishitaga ngo kwishyira ukizana.
Oh, here.
Get it now.
Kumbuko bari muri ibyo.
There's a bomb right there.
Bari kubafotora to.
Is this a man Natalie Sheraton was talking about?
Ako uriya si wa mugabo Natalie Sheraton yavugaga.
Should they? I'm shooting, wait.
Uriya mugabo kari agafoto gafate turaza kugashyira mu kinyamakuru.
George Aiden.
George Aiden.
It's Alex.
Ni Alex muvugana.
We need to talk.
Je nawe dukeneye kuvugana ndi iwawe.
I'm coming.
Ndaje.
Yep. Don't wait in front of the door.
Wintegereza imbere y'umuryango.
There's a key over there near the window.
Hari urufunguzo ruri aho ku idirishya niho dutsimba rufata uje mu nzu ndaje mpagusanga. Uyu mwana ni umusazi maze kamaze no kurangira German ahandi ari. Alex shanisho mpamvu ibyo yaba yakoze byose nta kintu abatinya n'undi ntakura amakudapfa. Natalie.
Shall we go?
Tugende.
Sure.
Cyane tugende. Ibyo nabyo.
Something happened?
Hari ikintu kibaye? Aya nta byadanje.
Nothing big.
Byadanje anga kumubwira ko ari umuhungu we. Bacukumbe hakuno hari abari kubafata amafoto. Bari kubafata amafoto hakuno. Uyari guhamagara byanze.
No,
Wapi byanze ntago ari kunyita.
Go the doctor.
Muhamagaye wa muganga ubwo maze.
I'll literally go mad. Where are they?
Bundi bari abakinga bagiye.
It's because of me.
Ibi byose ni ukubera njyewe. Byose ni ukubera njyewe.
Please, young man, don't do anything crazy.
Jamani wamfashije ntugire ikintu cy'ubugoryi uza gukora koko. Ntago ari kumwitaba kuri phone. Kumbe Yamani yaje arakaye hano.
Welcome home.
Urakaza neza mu rugo.
Man, Ali Sheraton.
Yamani Ali Sheraton. Bimeze bite?
I left the door open.
Nasize umuryango ufunguye. Cyo kiri kumuporovoka. Yicara hakuno ni abavandimwe bahuje nyina.
What did you want?
Ushaka iki?
From Alice, I mean.
Ni kuvuga Alice umushakaho iki?
Are you a man that could ever approach her? How dare you do that? That's the same thing I thought when I first saw you with Ria.
Wari umugabo mukwiriye nanjye nicyo kintu natekereje bwa mbere ubwo nakubonaga na Ria.
You're...
Umusa.
nuisance for everyone as long as you're alive.
Bisa nk'atazigera uhereza abantu bose amahoro mu gihe ukiri muzima. Sibyo?
Ask Alice if you want.
Wajya ukabibaza Alice nimba ubishaka.
I think she's actually happy.
Ndakeka kuri ya mukobwa arishimye nyamara. Biki? Kiramurakaza.
Mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2026 ubu business nyinshi ziri gukorerwa online. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ufite YouTube channel yawe, TikTok, Instagram ndetse na Facebook, ariko ukaba ukeneye ko zizamuka kuba followers ndetse ukajya unarebwa cyane bihagije. Ushobora kuba ufite YouTube ukaba ufite watch time 4,000 ariko ukaba nta subscribers igihumbi ufite ngo applying nawe ufate amafaranga nk'abandi. Igisubizo nta kindi, tugufasha kubona subscribers 1,000 no kurengaho mu gihe wabishatse ku giciro gito cyane. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ukeneye kwiga ku editinga, ukaba ukeneye kumenya uko wazamura social media, uko wakora ama website, ukaba ukeneye amasomo ahagije ku mbuga nkoranyambaga cyangwa se kuri social media. Icyo tugusaba no kutwandikira kuri WhatsApp tukagushyira muri groupe, ntago duhenda. Tuzabereka uburyo ba applying live bakora monetize, tubereke byose uko bikorwa. Biraterwa nawe n'icyifuzo cyawe. Icyo usabwa witinyaga amafaranga ni menshi ahubwo twandikire utubaze nusanga turi kuguhenda. Amahitamo nawe ugomba guhitamo kutugana cyangwa se ntutugane bitewe n'ibyo wifuza. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ufite business, ufite company runaka cyangwa se ibindi ukora ariko ukaba nta muntu wizeye wabona wakwamamariza ibikoresho byawe ndetse n'ibindi ukora. Iyo nomero iri muri screen watwandikira, waduhamagara tukagufasha kukwamamariza ibintu byawe udahenzwe. Ushobora kuba uri umuvideography, umufotography cyangwa se umudiscibana ariko ukaba nta bikoresho ufite byizewe. Tugufasha kubona kamera nziza, tripod n'amatara yayo, tugufasha kubona mashini nziza, desktop ndetse n'amaskrini meza ku giciro gito cyane udahenzwe, natwe tudahenzwe. Ukeneye amaradiyo meza, ubwo byose biri mu byo navuze haruguru aho. Iyo nomero iri muri screen yagufasha, watwandikira cyangwa se ukatuvugisha tukabigufasha. Aka kanya tugufasha kubona televiziyo nziza, yaba izifite screen nini cyangwa se intoya, biterwa na design ushaka cyangwa se ubuso ushaka cyangwa se urungano size, ibyo turabigufasha. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ufite igikoresho ariko akaba nta mutekinisiye wizeye ufite. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ushaka isaha nziza yizewe, ushaka amatara atari yandashya vuba, ushaka amasharijeri yihutisha. Igisubizo nta kindi, ibi bikoresho tuvuze haruguru harimo amatara, sharijeri n'amasaha n'ibindi hamwe na Batitech Limited babikugezaho. Dufite umutekinisiye wizewe ukora mu ntara y'Iburasirazuba, ubaherereye Rwamagana, Kayonza, Ngoma, Kirehe na Nyakarambi. Wamuha igikoresho cyawe akagikora neza mu buryo bwiza nta kibazo kigize. Icyo usabwa ni ukutwandikira kuri nomero twabahaye muri screen cyangwa se ukatuvugisha. Aka kanya ushobora kuba ukeneye kwiga ku editinga, ukaba ukeneye kumenya uko wazamura social media, uko wakora ama website, ukaba ukeneye amasomo ahagije ku mbuga nkoranyambaga cyangwa se kuri social media. Icyo tugusaba no kutwandikira kuri WhatsApp tukagushyira muri groupe, ntago duhenda.